Pretty cool, huh? Right there. The bus. You can see the bus. Not bad, huh? Good views. My tour bus for the evening. I like it. Going to sleep tonight. I'm sleeping in the bed here on the bus. A lot of mixed emotions. Been a long day. I'll see y'all in the morning. So having a great dinner Marco made. 2 bags of rice. I happen to bring this Cattle Drive Gold Chili with beans. Oh man, this is it. Now this is good stuff. What do you think, Marco? Tom's eating just the rice. We're really doing good on the way back. We got this now. Crossing the river tonight. Getting our strength up. My tent and air mattress that I left here made it. Nobody bothered it. I left that note on it telling people, well, we'd be back tonight, Friday night. We are. Drying out the boots a little bit. Doesn't matter. Going over that river. They're going to get wet again. But in the meantime, we got chili beans. Good stuff. So now we're arguing what's the best way. They're out there struggling. I'm coming this way. This is the way I came. I saw that big rock. I know how deep it is. All right. I'm going to put the camera away now because I probably shouldn't be filming out here. It's not the safest thing, especially to move. So I'm going to sit still for a minute, put the camera away. Oh, we're on the way back and we're pushing forward. So instead of spending the night at the river like you're supposed to do, we crossed the river again at night. And now we're going, this is the second river leaving. It's the first river coming to the bus. This is the one they say you can do pretty easy.
Really?
And it's not bad. Not too bad. Woo!
When you get wet inside your boots, you feel it. It's not so bad. Feel it.
Are those waterproof boots working?
Yeah, no, they're just soaking wet, you know.
So, Marco, you can understand my accent, no problem.
Yeah, I can understand you.
I can't understand you.
Okay.
You sound like me.
Good. You sound like, you know, American actor.
The handsome one, right?
Dude.
The dude. He keeps saying I'm
Jeff.
the dude.
He's Jeff Bridge, I think.
Ah.
He doesn't talk to us.
The dude. The dude abides.
He didn't choose the hobo life. The hobo life chose him.
It's 7 a.m. I just hiked out of those trees and hills back to this kind of semi-flat tundra. The sun came up a while ago, but it didn't come over the mountain. Beautiful views out here, as you can see. I decided to hike out by myself, though. We're almost out. I only got about 6 more miles, roughly 3 hours-ish, if I would make good time. It's pretty cool. It's even cooler alone. Something to be said about the wild. Beautiful. This is Denali National Park that they don't let you see. They only let you drive in this park 15 miles, and then you have to park and get on a tour bus with a bunch of people, and they'll take you where they want you to see. Now, yeah, I'm not too down with that. So, we've hiked over 25 miles in, and now we're coming out. I think I've seen Denali more than the average person, that's for sure. Hey, Mare. Here I am next to another beaver dam. Pretty neat. Look at all good they dammed this up. That's a good 4 foot higher than here. And the one thing about this is fresh water. I don't think you could do this trip if you had to carry your own water. Water weighs 8 pounds a gallon. I'm drinking about 2 gallons a day hiking. It really, I mean, you have to drink. So the only way you could do it is right here. Refill the water. You fill the water and drink it. Alaska water. Good stuff. Walking through the forest not to get lost, you got to look at stuff and be able to read the scenery, especially on your way back, so you can turn around. You might see this broken branch here. Okay, I remember that. Okay, there's some other things too. Like every now and then someone ties a ribbon on a tree. But still, if you're not that, you're a novice hiker, then look for something else like 2 old tires. Yeah, I remember them too. I'm on the right track.